Today I'm gonna do some unboxing. I have here a big box. It just came in today and I'm really excited to show you what I just bought. So the contents of this box are from Japan. They're all from Japan. But the box did not come from Japan. It came directly from San Luis, Pampanga. And how did it happen? Well, because I am smart, I am wise, I did some thrift shopping. So I bought some from them, and 2 days after, this box came into my doorstep. Okay, so the box is now open. Let's see what we have here. Are what I purchased from the Japan Surplus store located in San Luis, Pampanga. I have here crystal glasses with a picture. The brand is Paul Paula. It is made in Japan. This is the picture that came with the 4 glasses. To be honest, I thought this picture was bigger than it is. But yeah, I paid 400 pesos for all this. Not bad. And I also have this. These are saucers. 2. What I like about this is they have this embossed designs. Yeah. I paid 80 pesos. I don't know if you can see. 80 pesos for the 2 of them. I also have this small cups. It is branded. Again, it's white and it has beautiful textures like that. So yeah, these are 4 and I paid, you can see mine, Jasmine C. Mine for 200 pesos. So yeah, so I also bought this a white plate serving dish, I think, a small one, maybe for appetizer. What I like about this is it has this embossed designs, and I actually have a cup and saucers with this design as well. That's why I bought it, and it's branded. Its brand is Narumi. It's made in Japan. It's so pretty, so immaculate. I like it. But to be honest, when I was looking at it, in the picture, I thought this was bigger in person, just like the picture. Okay, I also have this. These are plates, white dinner plates with some gold rim or gold lining. I have plenty of this that I use for special occasion. They are just so elegant to look at, perfect for formal occasion. And I have 3 of this, and these are actually branded, made in Japan. The brand is Taiho. Yeah, I have 3 of this. I think the size is 9 inches. Yeah, it's smaller than the usual 10-inch dinner plate. So I also bought this small bowls with gold rim or lining. They look as new. It's not branded, but they are so beautiful. So yeah, I have 10 of this. So I want to use them when I do some tablescape with white and gold setup, dinner setup. So next up, I have here white jars. So I love their color because the color matches my color scheme at home. So it has this design. Yeah, it's lovely actually, and the price is 150 pesos. So next item would be another jar. I like it because it matches again my color palette. It's white and neutral with a splash of green. This is really good. This is almost perfect actually. However, it came to me with this chip. So this, I think it got broken during the delivery. So I have to do a little fixing here so it will look like what it used to be. So the price for this is 200 pesos. Okay, so next up would be this white and blue dishes. It came in a set. I have here an oval serving dish, a big one. And it also has 5 mini bowls. Yes, and a serving plate. And this lovely teapot. I so love this. This really sparks joy in me. And this big serving plate. So I paid actually 1,500 for all this set. So they're actually branded. The brand is Blue Chatham. I hope I pronounced it correctly. But yeah, I googled it actually, and it's a reputable brand, and they're known for their white and blue dishes. So that's the brand. So actually, this is almost perfect. I so love this white and blue set. I've been wanting really to collect white and blue dishes because yeah, they look so royal. They look so classic. Unfortunately for me, when the package came, this big serving dish was broken. Too bad. And I don't think I'll be able to fix this. This is not just, you know, a chip or a little chip. I'll not be able to use it anymore. I already informed the seller, and I don't know if they can arrange like a replacement or for me or some discounts the next time that I purchase some items from them. Yeah, so sad. But not everything is perfect. This is a box of glasses, small glasses. It's like shot glass. And it's branded actually. I actually did not buy this. This was given as freebie by the seller. So nice of her. So sweet and thoughtful. Thank you very much. So, okay, this will be the last item that we're gonna be unboxing and that I'm gonna be showing to you. These are 2 boxes. They are all new. Yes, because in Japan Surplus, you'll not only find used items or used dinnerware or old used dinnerware, but also if you're lucky enough, you can also find unused and new dinnerware like this too. So they came in with their original boxes. Of course, they are still unused. And these are actually branded. The brand is Alios. Yeah. So I got them for 1,400 for the 2 boxes. Okay, let's open it now. There you go. So I have here some saucers. They are white and yeah, and shiny. They are so beautiful. See that? Yeah. And it came in still with plastics, just to show you that they are really new. And I have 5 of this, 5 saucers, and a plate, a dinner plate here. Yeah, it's so shiny. I so love it. Yeah, here. It's a big one. It's a big one. Yeah, unfortunately, the plate is only one. That's the set. There's nothing I can do about it. But so I purchased actually 2 sets of this. So this is one, and another one. Yes, they're of course the same, but let me just the same. I'm gonna show them to you. So these are again 5 pieces of saucers and a piece of plate, and they're so nice. Let me see again. They're so shiny. This is the brand. Yeah, so nice. Ginza Diamond Iraishi Alios. That's the name of the brand, Alios. Alright, that's all I have for you for today. So it's not really a 100% perfect experience, but it's okay. I'm still happy. I'm still happy with the items that I purchased. Most of them actually sparked joy in me, particularly this teapot. I so love this one. So yeah, thank you again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye.